A lot's happened since yesterday!
So when did you become a vegan?
So I became vegan 11 years ago, and it was the best decision I've ever made. I essentially learned how farm animals are being. I went vegetarian based on principle, and I thought, you know what, I like animals, and I do what I can to help them. My mom and I did like animal rescue work, and we did protests for animals, but I always ate animals. I didn't think about it, and then one day I made the connection. Hey, you know what? If I like animals and consider myself an animal lover, maybe I shouldn't also be eating them. I didn't know how animals being treated. I didn't know about those 99% stats. I just kind of went vegetarian on principle. Then, about 10 months into my vegetarianism, I watched a film called Earthlings. And your viewers out there should really check out this film.
Earthlings, like just human being kind of earthling.
Yes,
okay.
Earthlings. So
I'll put up the link on here so we can.
Excellent. I think there's a website called watchearthlings.com, but I don't know if that website still exists.
Okay.
If not, you can find it online somewhere.
Okay.
It's a really powerful documentary, actually narrated by Joaquin Phoenix, who luckily has recently come back onto the stage.
Yep.
Nice.
And,
My wife loves him more than she loves me. Trust me.
Good.
I'll pass.
So, yeah. So I watched this film and I learned how farm animals are being treated. I learned that they aren't just living good lives somewhere and have one bad day. They are essentially suffering their entire existence. So I thought, you know what? I think it's time for me to go vegan. Did that. Honestly, guys, I did it and I thought maybe this will last a month or two. We'll see how it goes. But it's lasted over 11 years now, and it will never change for the rest of my life. So best decision I've ever made.